Welcome to SoftSpeak's Fun in the Outdoors channel.
Oh, there's the Alto. Never seen it before at a campground. Let's get a closer look. See the Alto? They're kind of like a teardrop, but they have the roof that comes up to make it tall. Oh, I think we got ourselves a teardrop. This is a different kind. Wow, which one is this? Teardrops.com. Trailteardrops.com. Wow, that's cool. They got a bike rack on the back of theirs. Oh, so it's a little bit like a tab. Let's take a look. Grizzly. Very cool. Here's an R-Pod. I've seen a few of these in the campgrounds. They're kind of popular. I looked at getting one at one point, but I don't know. It won't fit in our garage, so they're the campground host. Huh. So this is a homemade one, you can tell. I mean,
I like that shirt.
Oh, thank you. I just bought it. $33.81. Oh, they look like they live here. That's hey, maybe they do. Yeah, some people live in their RVs permanently. Oh, that looks like an old Airstream. Now that's a regular pop-up right here. Oh, there's another Alto. Wow, there's actually two of them here. That's very cool. I thought we were lucky just to see one. That's a nice awning they got there. Very nice.